case you're wondering, your Hovr bracket, that's your female end. This goes in the shelf. So you're going to have that channeled out. This edge should be, this little finger here, should be slightly underneath your shelf. That's 22.8 millimeters. The other side should be slightly proud or slightly wider, and it is. It's 23.5 millimeters. Basically what I have done here is drilled a couple holes through the bottom of my shelf, and these are going to be for my set screws. Although I was trying a set screw that would just stop at the track here, you know, tap and then you tighten it to this track, and finding that wasn't holding it very good. So then I thought, if I drill a hole right through this aluminum and use a longer screw and use that screw to sandwich the female and male end here together, we get a really good hold on that. I think that will work better. So your track will go in something like that, hooks in at the top, and it's all sitting right. Should be all right. Now the idea was that you would have a set screw drilled in the bottom of the wood like one of these. That would go against here and help tighten against the metal. I tried it, it was working all right, not the greatest though. So my idea was to drill a hole through here, and you can cinch this up. You can see it really holds that well. Or this bottom piece of metal on the wall where this screw is pinching up against, and it's pulling this whole thing down tight together rather than just relying on this little bitty piece of metal here, squeezing against here. There's not a lot of grab and hold there, so I think this is a better method. So I taped the wall off and put some glue up there. So once that sets, it's going to help hold it. But put the tape up there too, just to keep the glue off the wall once I squeeze it down. There's like a tight. Solid now.